how to make money by watching YouTube videos, coming right up. Hey, what's going on my friends? Millard Brady here and welcome back to my channel. On this video, I'm going to be showing you two websites that you can make money by actually just watching YouTube videos. And before we go into the video, on this channel, I'll show you how to make money online. And if you're interested in those type of videos, I invite you to click on the subscribe button down below and click on that notification bell so that you'll be notified of the latest videos that I upload. Alright, let's get on to the topic. So this is the first website that I really recommend, and it's called tv2.com. Again, all the websites that I'm going to be recommending are on the description down below, so make sure you check that out. So TV2 is the website that I recommend for you to make money by just watching YouTube videos. And they have a simple three-step process for you to get on it. So first one is just to download the app, right? Then link your devices by watching your TV, linking the TV and your smartphone, and then you earn back and earn cryptocurrency. So the payout on this website are actually in cryptocurrency. So don't worry about that if you don't know what cryptocurrency is and you know how you're gonna get this all set up. I'm gonna teach you how you're gonna, you know, if you're actually gonna earn cryptocurrency, I will show you a website that you can put all your cryptocurrency there and then, you know, convert them later into dollars, right? So again, TV2 is the website here. So it's just so simple. What you're gonna do is just watch YouTube videos and you're gonna earn points, right, based on how many YouTube videos you want. So and here they have a payout of let's see, where's that? They have a payout of 50,000 points, right? So if you earn 50,000, that's equivalent to one cryptocurrency. So what you're gonna do now, once you can have 50,000 points, you convert that into cryptocurrency, and then you go to this website I'm gonna recommend later on the video, where you're gonna convert that to other cryptocurrency, or you're gonna convert that into cash, right? So this is the first website, so tv2.com, right? And the second website is bittube.me, right? bittube.me. So again, the description is gonna the website is gonna be on the description down below. So again, this is the same thing, guys. You're gonna earn cryptocurrency or Bitcoin just watching YouTube videos. So I really love this because anyway, we're spending a lot of hours just watching YouTube videos. Why not make some money out of it, right? So this is the one website. So what you're gonna do here is that you know, just come here. Actually, they have a video, so you won't get lost. You're gonna get oriented yourself on this website, and they're gonna help you, you know, because they are actually a good website where a lot of advertisers are there, YouTubers that come there that actually, you know, pay them to have people view their videos, right? So that's crazy. Anyway, if you're watching YouTube videos, why not, you know, make money out of it? So this is the website, bittube.me.com. And as a bonus, guys, I'm actually gonna show you a website that it's not really gonna, you know, it's not really gonna make you money just watching YouTube videos, but actually gonna earn Bitcoins by you know, just having fun. So this is one website. So it's I'm gonna be putting the link down in the description. It's basically just, you know, having fun and then just playing games, just playing games around it, right? So this is one website. Again, the website name is gonna be on the description down below. So what you're gonna do when you have all those cryptocurrency, you're gonna have a wallet where you're gonna put on all your cryptocurrency, right? So this is one website. It's called earncrypto.com. And it's going to be on the description. So what you're going to do here, when you have, you know, you're going to open a here account, right? You need to join. And when you earn cryptocurrency, you either convert them to other cryptocurrency or you convert them into dollars. So this is one wallet that you can do. And the other one is trustwallet.com. So this is another wallet that, you know, you can put your cryptocurrency in. But here in crypto.com, at least you can convert them into dollars. So you can choose between two, but for me personally, I think I'll go with earncrypto.com. And also they have actually, if you join here, they can actually, you know, help you earn cryptocurrency as well. They have a lot of ways for you to earn crypto. You can play games, you can, you know, watch videos, watch movies, right? So this is the website that, you know, you can have fun, just play around and then earn cryptocurrency. So that's it for today. I really hope that you enjoyed this video. If you do, again, if you're not subscribed to my YouTube channel, make sure you do that and then like this video and you'll share this with people that, you know, will actually benefit by making money online and, you know, having that extra income on the side. All right, guys. So Millard Brady here, wishing you more health and more wealth. I'll catch you next time. Bye for now.